There's a 19th question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. This is a harder set of math question. It tells you that a gallon of paint is going to cover 220 square feet, and a room has a total wall area of W square feet. So we want to pick a W. I'm going to pick a multiple of 220. Let's say W equals 440. And the question is, if P is the total amount in gallons, we got to paint the room twice. So we're going to need 880 gallons. So if 1 gallon is 220 feet squared, if I multiply both sides of this by 4, notice 4 gallons is going to be 880 feet squared, which is what I'm looking for. So my P, total number of gallons, is 4. If my W is 440. Now I'm going to plug my W into each answer choice and eliminate anything that doesn't give me 440. 4 for the P, and A does it, the others don't. To see the full-length video, go to Ivy Masters Learning Center. Find the playlist. Go to Test 2, Module 2B on the playlist. And the longer videos are going to be above these shorter videos. And have a great day.